Assalamu alaikum. This is Kandil Zahra here. My instructor name is Sadaf Javed. I hope you are all doing fine in such a critical situation all around the globe. As you can see, my topic is chemistry of nail polish. I have a question. What is nail polish? Yes, of course, the first thing comes into our mind that it's a thickish liquid which is used to apply on our nails to make it look beautiful. Yes, you are correct. But let's get forward to know the more interesting information of it. Introduction. So nail polish is a liquid which is produced into many colors and give clear metallic and soft touch to our nails. There are many nail polishes that strengthen and enhance the growth of our nails. The strengthening fibers and proteins which will help our nails from being chipping, breaking or splitting. History of nail polish. So nail polish is the invention of 20th century by China. Coloring of the nails is not new. In ancient times, the upper class of the Egypt used to color their hairs and nails with henna, which we call as mehndi. This method is still common in Pakistan. The Italian and Japanese are known to be the first one to use nail polish. On the other hand, the Chinese gave the idea of the nail polish by making it with the combination of egg white, Arabic gum, gelatin and beeswax. They used to apply it in the night and remove it in the morning, which gave them the color from pink to red. The Egyptians used reddish-brown color derived from henna on their nails and the fingertips. The Chinese royalty used gold and silver to improve the strength to their nails, which is now we use some chemicals to do so. In ancient Egypt, nail color represented your social class. As we can see that Queen Nefertiti used to polish her nails with ruby red color. And the Queen Cleopatra used to polish her nail a deep rust red color. It means that red color represented their royalty. Women of low rank used to color their nails of pale colors. It means it represented that they belonged to a poor family. Composition of nail polish. Nail polish can be made from the nitrocellulose dissolved in butyl acetate or ethyl acetate. The nitrocellulose form a shiny layer as the solvent as acetate is evaporated. So, there are many ingredients used in it. First is solvents. So, solvents are the liquids that are used to mix other ingredients into the nail polish to give it a uniform product. For example, ethyl acetate, butyl acetate, and alcohol. The amount and type of the solvent will determine how thick and how long is it going to take to dry. Solvent evaporates once the nail polish is applied. There are some toxic solvents used such as toluene, xylene and formalin. They were once common but now rarely used. Film former. Film former are the chemicals that form the smooth surface on the coat of the nail polish. The common film former we use is nitrocellulose. Resins. Resins make the film attached to the nail bed. Resins are the ingredients that add depth, gloss and hardness to the film of the nail polish. The example of a polymer used in the resins in the nail polish is tosylamide formaldehyde resin. Plasticizers. Plasticizers are the chemicals that help keep polish flexible and reduce the chance that it will crack or chip. They do it by linking to the polymer chains and increase the distance between them. The common example is camphor. Pigments. So the pigments are the chemicals that add color to the nail polish. Common pigments include iron oxide, and other colorants which we can find in paint or varnish. Pearls. Nail polish that give shimmery or glittery effect may contain some pearls minerals such as titanium dioxide or ground mica or some other plastic glitters. Nail polish remover. So if there is nail polish, then there is something to remove it. We call it nail polish remover. Nail polish remover is an organic solvent that is used to remove the nail polish from the nails. Composition: acetone, ethyl acetate, butyl acetate, aloe vera, glycerine, cetyl acetate, and petroleum. Acetone is the most important one in it. It is made up of the combination of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Every chemical plays its own different and unique role. Filling, packaging, and labeling. Since we know that nail polishes are highly inflammable, therefore the filling and packaging should be done at fireproof area. It means that the thing that is related to fire should be kept at the distance from that area. We can say smoking or any other thing. Proper care and precautions should be followed. Glass bottle and brush applicators are used for packaging. The capacity varies from 8 ml to 18 ml depending on the size of the bottle. Types of nail polishes. There are 4 types of nail polish available in the market: base coat, top coat, gel, or matte. Base coat is the bottom one layer which is of the milky color, which give moisture to the nails and make the top coat attached to the nails even more better. Top coat. Top coat is the colored one layer of the nail polish. Gel. Gel is another type of the nail polish which can be found in many colors. It is better in staying of the nail as compared to the other nail polish. It will last onto the nails without cracking or being breaking for 2 weeks maximum. Matte. Matte is also a type which do not give shine to the nails but a rough look. It also has its own unique look and beauty. Advantages. So advantages are: it prevents our nail from scratches, increases strength of the nails. Disadvantages: it causes cancer, majorly skin cancer. With continuous use, nails won't get natural light, and of course, long time use causes the yellowness of the nails because they won't get the natural light. Difficult to remove without the nail polish remover. We can say in Islam, it is also a disadvantage that we cannot pray without removing it. Facts about the nail polish. There are 311 shades of the nail polish available in the markets. Neon colored nail polish is illegal in some countries but still available. Painting in nails in plain is not allowed. It is known that once a woman continuously refused to stop painting her nail, so she was arrested for that. The nail polish color you choose isn't random. Psychology says it depends on your thinking level, on your mentality level. So next time you choose the nail polish, do remember the color you're choosing is not random. Nail polish is not all about the color. Yes, it gives strength to our nails and enhance the growth of our nails. Take 3 days break after every 3 weeks because our nails need natural light. Otherwise, it will cause the yellowness of the nail. Open bottle of the nail polish may last for 2 years. Once it is open, it will continuously evaporate the solvent. Therefore, it will last for only 2 years. But if it's sealed, it will last for the lifetime. Most expensive nail polish costs $250,000 because it has black diamonds on it. nail polish detects drug. Now there are nail polish available which contain some chemicals which will detect the drug. If there are some drug included into your drink, then you can just dip your finger into it. The nail polish color will be changed. It means that there is drug added to your drink. So it prevents many rape cases. Thank you so much for your precious time. I hope you liked the information I shared. Take care of yourself and your families. Stay blessed, stay inspired. Allah Hafiz.